Hi, today I will show you my boat and I will also show you how I made this boat. So let's start. You can see it has the shape like a boat and it has nothing inside, which is same like as a real boat. You can see it. So let's see how I made that boat. So first we will fold our paper into the half like this. You can see this. You can see this. And then we will fold it like a half or one more half like this. I will show you like this. You can see it is formed, and we will do the same thing from the other side like this. You can see this. You can see this, and then we will open this, and then we will make a triangle in this area only. So first we will take a corner of a paper, then we fold it like this in a triangle. You can see this. And we will do here also like this. You can see here, and same we will do here, here and here. So let's do. We have done this, and we will fold it again like this. You can see two triangles are formed here. You can see this, and here also the both sides have formed a triangle, and now we will fold it in a half again like this. I will tell you again. First we are here, then we only have to do like this, and then the triangle which is here formed, we have to fold it. Here also like this. We have to do with the other side. I will show you. And here also. And then we will open it like this. You can see it. Then we will make the boat shape. First we will bring our fingers under it, and we will just push it like this, and then it will form a boat shape from the one side, and we will do same with the other side like this, and we will push it. You can see it, and then the page which is here, we will take this paper which is folded, we will open it and then we will put it over like this. I will show you again in the other side. First we will take out this paper like this, then we will make a boat like shape like this, and then we will fold it like this. See, our boat is ready and formed. And thanks for watching my video. Bye.